The retail experience begins with the storefront. A bright, distinctive facade showing a welcoming interior can make a big impact on brand identity, creating bright, open, and welcoming spaces for employees and customers. By combining superior thermal performance with natural light, custom finishes, and durability, our storefronts elevate retail spaces. Kawneer's commercial framing solutions help create unique, energy-efficient projects that enhance promotional displays and brand identity, reducing reliance on heating and artificial lighting, saving energy and creating retail experiences that promote the well-being of employees and customers alike. Whatever vision you have for your retail project, we have the solutions to help you create next-level retail experiences.